Once you're in your edit roster mode, you can look at your roster options, which are in these three vertical dots in the corner. You can look at lock options first. Now you may lock your roster if you don't want more students to add themselves to your roster. This is really for basic accounts. So if you're using portfolio accounts, this is not important to you. Single device sign-on or login is also important if you want students to not be able to access their account from more than one device. If you're using portfolio accounts, again, with secure passwords, then your students probably won't need to worry about this. You can allow or disallow peer help just from your roster. You can also toggle this on or off from each assignment. You can delete your roster from here, but please know that this is permanent and cannot be reversed. And you can also export grades for this roster. I have no grades in this one, but you would be able to choose the assignment that you would like to export from the roster. This is not the only way to export grades, but you can do it from here as well.